Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams that promise to keep you safe on the road. On the left, we have the Bugio dash cam front, and on the right, we have the Aeriphase dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. Get ready for some dash cam showdown. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of a dash cam, the video quality. The Bugio dash cam front records in 1080p Full HD, providing outstanding image quality. With its super large IPS display, you can see every detail as clear as possible when playing back the footage. Now let's talk about night vision. Driving at night can be tricky, but a good dash cam should be able to capture clear footage even in low light conditions. Now let's dive into the additional features that these dash cams offer. In summary, customers have praised the Bugio dash cam front for its high-quality ease of use and affordability. It provides clear images and videos, but some reviewers have mentioned issues with file formats and menu navigation. On the other hand, the Aeriphase dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi has received positive reviews for its excellent video quality, user-friendly app and affordability. Some minor inconveniences have been mentioned, such as losing cellular service when connected to the app and potential resolution issues caused by dirt on the windshield. Overall, both dash cams have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. And there you have it, folks. In this dash cam showdown, the Aeriphase dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi takes the crown. With its superior video quality, impressive night vision, and a range of additional features, it's definitely a winner. But hey, if you're on a budget, the Bugio dash cam front still does a commendable job. Remember, it's all about finding the right dash cam that suits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product comparisons that help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Drive safe, everyone.